Good morning, America and Vietnam. Good morning, Australia and Vietnam. And good morning, New Zealand and Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. I'm looking through my camera, make sure everything under control. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning, Australia and Vietnam. And good morning, New Zealand in Vietnam. Once again, yes. Good morning, America in Vietnam. Yes. Once again, good morning Vietnam, good morning Australia and Vietnam, and good morning New Zealand in Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. I would like to prepare to appear from Vietnam. Okay, good morning Vietnam, good morning to you, especially in capital city of Hanoi, Vietnam. The Ho Chi Minh City, namely Saigon, Vietnam, and good morning to all of you in 63 cities in Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. I am preparing appear in front of you now. Are you okay? Set, go, Joe. Yes, sir. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning to you. Yes. Okay, would you please? Yeah, I'll let you know the time, please. Today, Tuesday, 28th of June, year 2022, record time 11:59 a.m. Postcutting from Australia once again. Yesterday, Tuesday morning, June 28th, year 2022, record time 11 or 12 p.m. to noon time. Okay, 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. Sorry, please. Xin lặp lại lần thứ ba, hôm nay là thứ 3 ngày 28 tháng 6 2022, thu về lúc 12 giờ trưa. Thưa các bạn, các đồng chí thân mến, please would you please stand up for the national anthem of the United States of America. National anthem of the United States of America, quốc ca của nước Mỹ các bạn. Vì tôi chuẩn bị tôi dạy học bằng tiếng Anh các bạn nha. Đây là toán ngôn ngữ của thế giới, của nước Anh, nước Úc và nước Mỹ, Canada, please. Cho nên tôi chào quốc ca của nước Mỹ, thưa các bạn, các đồng chí. Are you ready, set, go? National anthem of the United States of America. You please stand up. Are you ready, set, go? Yes. Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose first skies and bright stars through the perilous fight of the rampart we watched, we so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the pompous in there, gave proof to the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say the Star-Spangled Banner yet wave, of the land and of the free, and the home of the brave. That's it. Okay, that's enough. So, yeah, I don't need to use any more, so prepare to study now, please. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we prepare to study now. Okay, I'll let you know the time already. Okay, now we should move this, okay, camera to a special place here. I have to move the camera. Okay, please, up to this. Okay, I have to move the camera so we can study the subject. We do mathematics teaching in high school in Australia. It's similar to England. Okay, it's similar. Yes, please. Okay, I have to move the table, please. Okay, yes. Okay. Move this to this. Okay. Excuse me. Yes. Excuse me. Yes, please. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, we study now. Okay. Have a look. Everything under control. Yes, please. I come from this country, Australia. I'll let you know that this lesson is 60 minutes. We got study. Okay, and I'll let you know that in this lesson, the teacher, math teacher, and the student, we are speaking English, not Vietnamese at all, because this international school. We learn in Australia is similar to England, is similar to New Zealand, Canada, and United States of America. This, I'll let you know that I come from this country, and I would like you to follow me in this mathematics in year 11. Today we focus on the trigonometry. I'll let you know that this teaching is free. Okay? So I'll let you know that in Australia I teach that. So 1 hour is $25 per hour. Per one student. It means when you study with me, you have to pass year 10. I have to look through your documents to study this math. It's math in year 11 and next year, year 12, to prepare to go to university, study engineering school, math science, doctor degree, bachelor. Just have a look. It's okay. I think someone sent me a message, something like that. It's nothing wrong with that. Okay. Now we're talking about the subjects. Let me say something to you that 1 hour I'm teaching mathematics is $25 per hour. Okay, so in this 60 minutes, each of the students have to get me $25. I put in my pocket. It's okay. And multiply by 5 or 10 or 20 students, you know that how much I can achieve, I can have per day or per week, multiplied it by months. Okay, so that's the salary. Today we focus on trigonometry. Trigonometry here. Okay, today we focus on trigonometry. This is year 11. And question 4 I need you to do with me, but before we do that, I mentioned to you that it of student, boys and girls. Okay, I have looked this. I have looked through the camera. Make sure we got 60 minutes, perfectly correct, please, boys and girls. In our class, we are speaking English at all. We do not speak Vietnamese. Okay, this class for year 11, prepare to go to year 12 next year, and we go to university. All we need. Or if you can't pass university or you have lower mark, you can go to THedd college. Okay, let me see. Preparation. Okay, testing with my microphone. My name is Joseph Nguyen, or you can call me Joe Nguyen, or you can call me Mr. Nguyen. It's my surname. Got it? Yes. Okay, so we move this in here so you can hear me properly. Remember that this is year 11 trigonometry. This is math, special math to go to uni, to study engineering course. Got it, please? Or you have to pass year 10 at least to join the army in Australia. Or you can join army officer when you finish year 12. You study 4 years in university in Denton in Canberra. Become army officer. You have to study math, one of subjects. Okay, let me explain to you. Each of you have to ask mom and dad your calculator, please. To do these subjects, we call trigonometry year 11, which is you have to pass, you have to study 6 years in primary school, year 1 to year 6. Of course, you have to pass that. If you can't do that, you can't do in year 11 now. It's too high now. So you go to year 7, year 8, year 9, and year 10. All of you have to sit down to pass year 10 before you sit down study with me year 11. I mentioned to you, all of you boys and girls, doesn't matter where you come from, in Australia or overseas, in Vietnam or everywhere. When you come to Australia education system, you have to pass year 10. I mentioned to you we are speaking, we do not speak Vietnamese. Only we speak English at all, at school. My class. When I return to Vietnam, I do the same exactly. I come here 40 years ago, I study English. Okay, or not receive education. From adult education from year 7 to year 12 and go to uni. Each of students have to ask your mom and dad your calculator, your own. You have to use well in year 10, year 11 and year 12 to pass exam to year 12. Okay, so that's the first I need to mention. Now we do question 4. Remember that it means you studied this subject last year, year 10. Now we go up to high. Question 4, Q4. Okay. Find the length of each side marked with a numeral. Full stop. Open the bracket. Correct. To 1 decimal place. Okay, this question gives you 12 marks. This is exercise. Question A. You have to draw me the triangle. So you got this, you got this, and you got this. You got here 6 cm. You got here the right angle. You got 90 degree here. Okay, that's it. Find the length of this triangle. Can you do this for me? Question mark. I give you a few minutes for year 11 to do this job for me, and I have a look outside yes, I move up forward so you can see properly, please. Okay, that's it. Move to this. Okay, please. Let me say it to you. Today is Tuesday, 28 June year 2022. The topic we study, concentrate is trigonometry year 11 math. Question 4. Find the length of each side marked with a numeral correct to 1 decimal place. This question, 12 question is 12 marks. 1 question, 1 mark. Can you do this job for me now, please, boys and girls? I'll let you do a few minutes to think about that, and I come back to show you how to solve the problem. Okay, please. To solve this problem, boys and girls, you have to underline the question carefully. Yes, with the red pen. Find the length of each side marked with numeral correct to 1 decimal place. That's it. On the question the teacher asks you to do. Okay? I gave you 1 or 2 minutes more to solve this problem, Year 11, trigonometry, Year 11 maths teaching in Australia. Equivalent to New Zealand, England, United States of America or Canada. Please. Have you got the answer, please, boys and girls? If you got, let me know. I come to your place and check with my solution. If yes, I give you 1 mark. If you can't do it, because you forgot the formula or something wrong with your calculator, check it, please, each of you. Okay, now, I explain to you how to do this. First of all, to solve the problem, okay, you have to got this opposite with right angle is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite with this 90 degree is called opposite. Okay. So this is called hypotenuse opposite, and this side is called adjacent. Adjacent. Got it? So we got this. You got 3 formula to solve this. It's called so. Okay? So ka to. You need to learn this formula for me to solve this. If you can't remember so ka to in Australia system or New Zealand or England, you can't do this job. So ka to. Got it? So I give you the solution, step 1. Okay, solution. Step 1. Step 1, to the write the formula. To the, so you got so ka to. Okay, so in this scenario, what do you think? We got here is 6 centimeters opposite. Yes? Underline. We got here I, adjacent. Adjacent is the question Q. The teacher asks you to find thus adjacent. So you got adjacent, you need to find, okay, question mark. So in this scenario, we have to apply the formula we call the to. The formula open brackets, to. So ka to. Okay? So the right formula, so you got apply in so ka to. To. T-O-A. So apply for that, you got 10. 9 degree, that's right, this part. Yeah, 9 degree, not 90, sorry about that. 9 degree. 10, 9 degree equal formula. 10 equal opposite. Okay, 10 equal opposite over adjacent. Got that? And then step 2. To the, we substitute. Okay, so 10, 9 degree equals 6 cm centimeters over Q question mark. Okay, we circle that, we move to the right hand side and left hand side of equation. We move Q to this side. Okay? So therefore, step 3. Q multiply by 10. 9 degree equals 6 cm. Yes? That's step 3. Q equals 6 divided by 10, 9 degree. Q equal 37.88. Therefore, Q equal 37.9 cm. That's the answer. So when you got that, you write answer. A answer. We found that. And that's the answer. The teacher said, yes, we find Q. Q and this is adjacent. We find that. Okay, I have a look again. Okay, to move close to you to have a look. Yes. Let me explain to you behind the camera. This is year 11 maths teaching in Australia system, similar to New Zealand and England. Okay. Trigonometry year 11, question 4. Find the length of each side marked with a pronumeral correct to 1 decimal place. All we need, I explain to you clearly, you have to understand English. I can't teach this subject in Vietnamese language because I have been living in Australia 40 years. When I come here, I learned that in high school. I studied from year 7 to year 12. It's called adult education for those who are missing school in Vietnam or everywhere to Australia. Daytime, I go to factory. Nighttime, I come to adult education to learn these subjects. It's equivalent, the same with high school, with the children learning these subjects. Got it? I explained to you. Always talking about these subjects, the student, boys and girls, and the teacher, we are speaking English, not Vietnamese, I mentioned. I can't explain this in Vietnamese language because I have been living here 40 years. All my experience teaching from uni to pass to my children, all English from year 1 to year 12, I mentioned to you, especially in Hanoi University of Education's Campus 2. I present my case to Emeritus Professors, Mathematics Department in University of Hanoi. This is, I let you know, this is year 11 teaching in Australia. I come back with my story. Question 4. This subject we call trigonometry. If you do not understand trigonometry, take dictionary and have a look in Vietnamese and you understand us in your own language. I come here to teach English, not Vietnamese. Got it? Question 4. Find the length of each side marked with pronumeral. Open the bracket, correct to 1 decimal place. You have to understand decimal place. If you do not understand, take your own dictionary. Or when you come, if I come to Vietnam, I teach this, the teacher has explained Vietnamese language. We got 3 formula. It's easy. First, so, ca, to. Can you say for me the formula? So, ca, to. So, ca, to is the formula applied to solve the problem in trigonometry year 10 N11 and year 12 too, the similar. I say that again, 3 formula you must learn is SOCATO. Say that to me, SOCATO. So stand for what? Side. You see this? Hypotenuse, opposites. That means, now, question 4 asks you to name 3 sides of the triangle. Opposite with right triangle is, we call that hypotenuse. 90 degree, we call that opposite. And one more side to ask to find is adjacent. Solution step 1, write the formula. So we got 3 formula in this scenario. We got SOCATO. In this triangle, we got 2 sides. We got opposite, we got adjacent. We have to find adjacent. So therefore, we decide to use the formula 3. That means TO. Step 1, write the formula TO. T-O-A. T-O-A. 10. Opposite, adjacent. Now apply that, we got formula 2. So 10, 9 degree, that means 10, 9 degree, equal opposite divide or over adjacent. You got here, you got right hand side, you got left hand side equations to solve this problem. We have to use equation. Got it? So 10, 9 degree equal opposite over adjacent. You got right hand side, left hand side equation to move. Step 2, substitute inside. So 10, 9 degree equals 6 centimeters over Q. Step 3, in the right hand side, Q multiplied by 10, 9 degree give you 6 cm. We need to move the equation. You need to find Q. So Q equals 6 divided by 10, 9 degree. So when we got that, we have to use calculator to touch the button. We need to find Q, the side of adjacent. So Q equals 37.88. Therefore, according to the question teacher asked you, correct to 1 decimal place. So 37.9, 37.88 equivalent round off close to 9. So our answer therefore Q equal 37.9 centimeters. That's my answer. Got it, boys and girls? I need you to copy down this question. Yes, this is teaching math 11. But to do this math, you have to pass year 10 last year to study this year, year 2022 with me. Got it? Write it down, please, boys and girls. If any problem, call me. I give you a few minutes to copy it out. And we do the next question, please. Okay? Have a look at the time. Yes, we got exactly half an hour. Boys and girls, keep quiet. Write it down. Everything on board arrived for you already, please, boys and girls. I give you 1 more minute to copy down to solve this problem. Please use your calculator, please. Nicely, correctly. And doing that, I move the camera to show how many books I have in this. This is math books. Yes. I moved that back. And then I'm teaching in Australia, equivalent to England, New Zealand. Okay, I have been living in this country for 40 years. I can't teach this subject in Vietnamese language. I can't. Because I studied from Australia 40 years ago. Got it? Please, 30 years ago. 40 years. But I have to learn English first to understand to come to school. Got it, please? Okay, that's question